So, in the previous episodes, we have learned that we have three fundamental aspects for robotics. Basically, the sensors, the actuators, and the controllers. Yes, and we have looked up to various sensors, and now we are moving on to another fundamental aspect called the actuators. Before we dive deep into the actuator world, we should understand what is axis. I know I'm going to introduce you to three new words, and it will be very useful for you in the journey of robotics. So you have three lines here, and when we fix this line and try to rotate like this is called a pitch, right? And if you fix this one and rotate like this is called yaw. And if you fix this one and rotate, this is called a roll. So a pitch, yaw, roll. Okay, got it? So we will be using this a while, often especially when we are trying to explain the actuators. So let's start. So what is an actuator? You know, the sensors are basically the eyes, the things with which the robot will be able to see the world. And as you remember from the previous episodes, we have a chocolate in front of us, and we have our eyes so that we could see the chocolate. And how do we reach there? It's through our our hand, right? So for robots, these are called actuators. It is doing an action, right? They are called actuators. So what's inside an actuator? So what is making this actuator move? For humans, we have muscles, right? We have muscles. We have there is each muscle there is a strings inside the muscles, like small muscle fibers. It will allow us to move to a specific point. It will, right? So what is making a robot move? Yes. So in this episode, I will be explaining what makes a robot move. Yes, you can see that now it's moving, right? Now it's moving, and sometimes it is looking at me. And how it is happening?